How to connect Apple CarPlay in a Honda Civic 2019 to 2022 model. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect Apple CarPlay to your Honda Civic model years 2019 through 2022. Whether you're using a wired or wireless connection, we will guide you through each step quickly and easy. Step 1. Check compatibility. First, ensure your iPhone is compatible. Apple CarPlay requires an iPhone 5 or newer, running iOS 7.1 or later. Also make sure Siri is enabled on your device. Step 2. Prepare your vehicle. Start your Honda Civic and ensure it's in park. Locate the USB port typically found in the center console or dashboard area. Step 3. Connect via USB cable. Using a genuine Apple Lightning to USB cable, connect your iPhone to the vehicle's USB port. Once connected, your Civic's infotainment screen will prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay. Step 4. Enable Apple CarPlay. On the infotainment screen, select Enable Once or Always Enable to allow CarPlay access. Your iPhone also may ask for permission to connect. Tap Allow to proceed. Step 5. Access Apple CarPlay interface. After enabling, the Apple CarPlay interface will appear on your vehicle's display. You can now access apps like Maps, Music, Messages, and more directly from the screen. If CarPlay doesn't initiate, verify that your iPhone is unlocked and Siri is enabled. Try using a different USB cable or port. Restart your iPhone and the vehicle's infotainment system. And that's how you connect Apple CarPlay to your Honda Civic. Enjoy your favorite apps while driving safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks.